Hello from the Four Seasons Orlando Resort here at Walt Disney World. We are heading to the pool, specifically the Waterpark area. There's a 5-acre water park here with a lazy river, water slides. It's a beautiful day, very sunny, probably the nicest day we've had so far and our nicest day that we'll have while we're here. Well, thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello. Wow, this is really pretty.
Hi guys, how are you doing today?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Doing great.
Good. Hi. Time to get in the lazy river. Oh, are these water guns? Yeah. Time for a dip in the lazy river.
Go.
Jammer! Oh, you're gonna have drinks in the lazy river? That's nice.
We're coming across some rapids.
Rapids? Are you all right back there? Here's another entrance. That's nice. Pretty right here with the backdrop.
Hello.
Hi, good. We're just checking it out.
There you go. Nice.
Thank you so much.
skinny dip right here with rum,
Oh,
flash
thank
of soda.
Thank you so
And
much.
the tiki torch right here for you, sir.
Thank you.
Awesome, guys. This is gonna be an open tap. I just keep adding through the day.
All right, great.
Enjoy
Thank you.
cheers. You guys want some silverware by any chance?
Nah, we don't need it. Be good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's good.
We got the fire roasted salsa, guacamole, and chips here at the pool. Looks really good. What's on the rim?
Like a hammer and salt or something. Feels sticky all of a sudden. What happened? Like something under my glass.
Salsa's really good. Got a little bit of a kick. Salsa's really good. Little spicy. Now for the guac. With how hot it is, the guacamole is so refreshing. I like the guac a lot. When he said there was rosemary in this, and it wasn't crazy about that, I was like, rosemary?
Pull it out. Throw it in the bucket.
It's different. It tastes like a tropical Christmas tree. Taste it.
Yeah. That does.
But doesn't it taste like it has like something about it
the
Christmassy?
rosemary's not really my speed.
We had a nice afternoon at the pool, and now it is time to go get ready for dinner. So we're heading back to the room. Hey.
Little hut.
We got the hottie dog.
I didn't know they had hottie dogs. I would have eaten a hottie dog.
For the kids.
Oh.